Hi everyone, welcome to Graphic Solution Tricks channel. Today we will show you how to enable autosave in Camtasia. First, launch Camtasia. Go to the Edit menu. Select Preference. In the Preference window, locate the Autosave section. Check the box next to Enable Autosave. Specify the desired interval in minutes for Camtasia to automatically save your project. Select the folder where you want the autosaved project files to be stored. Once you have set your preferences, click OK to save the changes and enable autosave in Camtasia. Now Camtasia will automatically save your project to the specified location, ensuring that your work is protected in case of unexpected crashes or interruptions. That's it. If you find this video helpful, please make sure to subscribe our Graphic Solution Tricks channel and click the bell icon for more updates.